What's up guys, George D with another song lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. I've noticed that a lot of videos only show the main riff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the main riff correctly, as well as the verse, chorus, and solo. It's pretty simple, it's mainly power chords. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm cranking out these song lessons and I have a lot to teach you guys. So let's zoom in and take a look. So for the main riff, you're going to be playing 2 notes at a time. So first, you're going to place your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A string, 4th finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Then you're going to bar the D string and the G string with your 1st finger at the 3rd fret. Then you're going to place your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the D string, 4th finger on the 5th fret of the G string. Then again, 3rd finger, 5th fret A string, 4th finger, 5th fret D string. Then back to our bar. But then this time you're going to slide up to the 6th fret. And then down to the 5th fret. Then our original riff. Except you're going to go back down to the bar. And then our original 2 notes. So all put together, it'll sound like this. Okay, so the next part is just 2 power chords. It's a G power chord and an F power chord. And they're kind of doing this ascending picking pattern. It sounds like this. Okay, so now onto the chorus. Starts off with a C power chord, then a G sharp power chord. Then we're going to do a similar riff that we did in the main riff. So you're going to place your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A string, 4th finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Then our bar. Back to our 1st chord. Back to the bar. Back to the 1st chord. And then we're going to go down and bar the A string and the D string at the 3rd fret with your 1st finger. Then back up. Then repeat. Except this time you're going to stay on that bar on the A string and the D string at the 3rd fret. So all put together, it'll sound like this. And then back into the main riff. Okay, so the only part left is the solo section. In this section, we go from a G power chord to a C power chord using the same picking pattern that we used in the verse. So it'll sound like this. And we're going to do that 4 times, and then at the end of the solo, we're going to hit a C power chord, and then to an F power chord, and then back into the main riff. So for the solo itself, I'll play it at normal speed and then I'll slow it down so you can see what I'm doing. I'll also have tabs up on my Patreon page. There should be a link in the description below. So normal speed. And that's it. I recommend learning all these parts and playing along to the studio recording so you can get a full picture. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. I really hope that these videos are helping you guys learn the songs that you love. And remember, if you have any questions, like my video and leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.